Ngayon po, today, this morning, it's nice weather and it's cold, as you can see. Today, we're going to make some decoration for still Halloween and autumn. Ang galing naman. Ito, this is we will use. This one I got this one from my son as a present. Ito, malaki po itong teapot. Charot. Ito po ay ating gagawin na I need this one for decoration. Ito po from my work, my garden's work. Mga dry hortensia siya. Maganda siya ng hortensia. Maganda po ito pag talagang dry. Look at this one, color, and this one. So it's still in beautiful shape. So yun, ang aking labas bahay nagising na. So I will decorate this with this, and this one I have this for a while to make the flower instable. Tingnan natin. Lagay natin dito sa at ilalagay. Tapos of course my gloves at ito po. Ganyan sa scissors for the bush. So, lamig. So let's get started. But before that, I'm going to do behind my house, and I will pick up some the green leaves to make it greenery. Oy, sorry po. So tayo po doon sa kabila. So let's go, follow me. Let's go. Pandango. Sari-sari ang kalugo. So, yan po dito ako sa at the back of the house. Ako po yung nabulong. Back of the house. Somebody sleeping. So, So, balik na po tayo. Ayan, manakita. Kita man nyo, this is what I pick doon dahil ako ay nagbubulong-bulong dahil alam nyo mga kapitbahay tulugan pa doon sa kabila. So, kaya ako I have to be silent because they are still sleeping. And we have to respect that. Minsan si Kadora nagre-respect. Minsan, ay awang ko lang. So, this is what we will do. So, let's get started. Uy. Tea time first. So, lagay natin sa ulo. Malaki pa sa ulo yan. So, let's get started, mga Kadoray. Let's see what will happen. So, let's get started. Pandango. Ito muna po ang aking itong ganito. Lagay ko lang dito sa gitna. Ay, pagitna. Kita ganin nyo dyan. Kita yun. Parang nakatutok po. Tapos meron pang side dito. I can put it like that. Dito na. Pwede na ito para itong tinapay. Pwedeng hati-hatiin parang para ito pong toast bread. Lasa. Charot. So, good idea. So, ito, lagay natin muna to. Pahiris po. Para natin. So, para siya. Tapos ito, ano? Dito natin ilagay. So, in the other side of the mountain, really nice. Maybe, meron pa ako sa loob. Pero maybe this is enough. So I put it in the diagonal, not diagonal. Dito. Yung round. So, oh, this is not nice. I will eat some more out inside. Look at this one, very beautiful. Kinuha ko ito kahapon. Lagay natin dito sa may walang. Bakit kalbo yung isa? So I make like that. That's it. Maybe this one to cover the hole na the other hole. So, gupit-gupit pa lang. Gupit-gupit. The thing is maganda. Good thing for hortensia for decoration. The good things. This is, you can cut this in one like this and just put it in the small bottles. That's what I will make later on. Then pick. So, alisin natin na yung mga hindi kailangan. So, it's still. So, that's it, guys. Bakit? Ito. Hindi kumapit si pare ko. Yung kapit si pare ko. So that's it. Bakit? So, you know, perfectionist sometimes, but pagka perfectionist hindi maganda sa kawan, sa buhay. Dahil ma-stress kayo. So, ano po yun? Anong you can say? Look at that man. Oh, para din namang sa professional. Alam naman na yan. Ang ganda ng kulay, I'm not bragging it, but I'm just happy to do it. I'm not a professional, but tama lang. And then, this one, from the doon sa aking, just decoration lang po naman. Alam niyo man, ito pong green na ito, kahit na walang tubig, siya. Very matagal silang, hindi kumapit si pare, just like that. Kumbawa, my friend and my darling and my happy son, never gonna let you down. It's easy to buy something, you never know. Ayan, hindi kumapit si pare, pero kakapit din yan pagka yan. Diyan ka ha, sino pagka diyan ka na. So, green lang naman. Hinihingi lang kita. Alam mo naman yun. So, that's it naman. Yan, galing na. What do you think, guys? Tapos na yun. Nilagyan ng green. Pag green siya, lagyan natin ng green dyan para maging grand. Look at my product. Scenery. Scenery. Ayun. Oh, ayun. Teka muna, at ang aking camera ay hindi magkaintindihan. So, look. That's it. Ang ganda ng aking. I'm proud to be my own flower arrangement. Ayan ko na itong aking flower decoration. It's really nice. Naku, take one, take two, nagbulol na sa gatheray. So, end ko na po ito. Part 2, again, end ko na po ito. And salamat po sa inyong watching ng aking mga funny videos or funny and interesting. I wanna be a flower arrangement. Look, it's nice. Okay. Charlotte. Thank you for watching and see you in my next vlog. Bye!